Bendigo Tramways Museum Depot. Trams started in Bendigo in 1903 and ceased in 1972, being the last tram to be in service. After that, they actually opened up as a tourist attraction for many people to come along and the history of Bendigo as they ride talking trams. Bendigo launched its vintage trams in 1972. 4 trams were selected to run over a 4-kilometre section of the track. Bendigo's tramways have been operating since 1890, beginning with battery-powered trams, followed by steam-powered trams, and finally in 1903 when the lines were electrified. They served the public until 1972. The Bendigo Talking Trams is a heritage tram tour which provides a narrated history of Bendigo, highlighting key landmarks and buildings along the route. It allows you hop off and on to explore the city with tickets valid for a day. The tour uses a successful taped commentary to tell the story of Bendigo as it travels through the city. The museum depot was built in 1903 and houses a collection of tramway memorabilia. It is the oldest operating tram depot in Australia and holds 33 trains in its collection. Tram tours commence from the central Deborah gold mine and includes the Tramway Museum Depot.
We're at the Bendigo Tram Depot. It's one of the longest serving depots around, and it's still continuous. This tram was imported from Paran. It reminds me of my childhood days taking trams throughout Melbourne. So anyway, come enjoy the remainder of this particular depot.